Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells Cista Room Heater 2000 watt. This is a 2000 watt room heater that comes with a white color variant as well. You can see what this room heater looks like from the box over here. It also comes with 1 year product warranty. And over here it's mentioned, once again you can get a closer look at what this particular heater looks like on the box. Do we have any more information? No, that's more or less it. It's a 2000 watt room heater, and that is all the information we have on this box. I will now open it and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what the Havells Cista Room Heater 2000 watt looks like. This comes with a plastic body. In fact, this is non-metallic. Comes with ABS plastic body, but it's a solid body. It's not going to break. Not just that, this is the vent this is the vent from where all the hot air blows out. It's a pretty large vent. You will also notice the heating filament inside. There are vents on the side as well, and not just that, you can see this particular stand over here. You can use this to carry it around, so this makes this device immediately portable. That's always a great thing. And underneath we have some elements. There are 4 stops here. And then there is this handle as well. This is basically an adjustable leg, so when you put it up like this, now you have an elevation, so you can reach different angles as well. Not just that, at the end you have this pretty thick and long cable with a 3-pin socket on one end. This is a 15 ampere 3-pin socket, so make sure you have a 15 ampere power outlet at your home when you want to use this. So there are 2 knobs here. This one controls the temperature. Currently it's set off, but then there is cool, warm and hot settings. And over here this controls the intensity of the air that will blow out. So it's from low to high. And there's also an indicator over here that will show you how hot it is or if it's getting heated at the moment. A lot of instructions written over here. It says don't block the air, don't place it near the wall, don't place it on bed, don't place it on clothes, don't place it on paper, don't place it on carpet, and don't place it on pillow. Basically, don't place it on anything that can catch fire. And this is it. There are no user manual or anything on this. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Havells Cista Room Heater 2000 watt. Thank you for watching.